In this video I will give you some toppings idea. Hello everybody, welcome to Fabulous Pizza. Today I'm gonna make a pizza which is inspired by pasta alla carbonara. I will use the very same ingredients to make a totally different dish. I will stretch my pizza quickly, and while I cook it I will tell you something about the toppings, providing you some inspiration, hopefully. Now, to respect the nature of the original carbonara, I will make a pizza bianca because pasta alla carbonara doesn't include any tomato sauce on it. As I always do when I make pizza bianca, I will wet the surface of my base. Fresh mozzarella, and nothing else for now because I will add all the toppings after I bake. Here I am. Pasta alla carbonara includes basically 3 ingredients. One is pork cheek. It looks like a regular cured meat. I sliced a couple of generous slices, then made some sticks, and I cooked them low heat on a skillet, so it released the excess of grease. What I get in the end is some crumbles like this, because after I cooked them I roughly chopped with my knife. If you don't have any pork cheek, which is not very easy actually to find, guanciale is typical in Italy. I'll see if you want to use an alternative. It may be pancetta, it may be bacon, whatever you find, if you really want to try and replicate the logic behind this pizza. I also made a cream, you cannot see it, a cream with egg. Now you can see it's a little bit solid, because I made it mixing 1 egg yolk with 2 generous spoons of pecorino cheese, grated pecorino. You mix them very well, a pinch of salt, a few drops of olive oil, and you cook it. You cook the mixture very low heat for I did it for probably 5 or 6 minutes. When I will put it on my pizza, it will melt and it will become nice and creamy. The final touch will be just some pecorino shavings on top to give, to still respect the recipe, and plenty of fresh black pepper, cracked black pepper. I will do it at the moment. It's time to check my pizza. Here we are, my white base is ready. It's time to, oh nice, very nice. It's time to add the rest of my ingredients. First, my cream of egg, which will become way more creamy and runny with the heat of the pizza. Then my crumbled guanciale, the pork cheek. And finally, shavings of pecorino. Yeah, no, actually it's not finally, because I need to add the black pepper. Yay! It's time to have a closer look to my pizza. It's not very colorful, but it's pity you can't smell it because it smells really amazing. It's time for me to cut and eat my lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a like. Maybe you can share this recipe with fellow pizza lovers. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.